In addition to being a well-known action movie star from the 1990s, Steven Segal is a strong man who has amassed considerable wealth over the course of his lengthy career. But have you ever considered how this entertainer makes a living? Discover what Steven Segal's opulent lifestyle is like in this video. Steven Frederick Segal, also known as Steven Segal, is a well-known martial artist and actor from the United States. His training in martial arts began when he was just a teenager and went to Japan to learn Aikido. He later became an instructor. Steven Segal eventually relocated to Los Angeles, where he began to be given opportunities to direct action sequences in several films beginning in 1980. But it wasn't until 1988 when he made an appearance in the drama Above the Law that his acting career really took off. He performed in numerous productions throughout the ensuing years, becoming a highly well-known actor in action films. Later, he also made appearances in a number of programs and reality shows, including Steven Segal and Laman. Hard to Kill, Under Siege, Exit Wounds, and a few other films rank among his most popular acting roles. Steven Segal worked for the Louisiana Police for a while also devoting himself to music endeavors. Along with being an entrepreneur, he currently represents humanitarian ties between the United States and Russia, where he was granted citizenship in 2016. Steven Segal has amassed a sizable wealth as a result of his long history of success in a variety of fields, and he is now able to live comfortably in an upscale environment. Steven Segal is an actor who does not sacrifice comfort for security when it comes to picking a nice area to reside in an old mansion. He formerly possessed a modern mansion perched atop a mountain range in the exclusive Arizonian neighborhood of Carefree Ranch. The over 8,900 square foot mansion was constructed in 2001 using stone walls, copper accents, and bulletproof glass panels. As soon as one enters, one can see the elegant skylights that let in natural light, while the living area has huge windows and a contemporary fireplace. According to media sources, Steven Segal purchased the mansion for $3,500,000 and recently sold it for $3,550,000 in automobiles. Steven Segal is an established actor who enjoys driving expensive cars. He has been spotted with a number of vehicles, including a $3,100 Ford Mustang Mach-1 that costs about $52,000, a $15,000 Jeep Wrangler from the 1990s, a $45,000 Chevrolet, and a $12,000 Ducati Monster. The actor was also seen exiting a Mercedes-Benz Vito, a classy mid-size van with a large interior for passenger comfort that costs around $60,000. It is perfect for extended excursions because of its practicality. Steven Segal is also seen getting into a GMC Yukon, a sizable vehicle perfect for those who value safety and comfort above all else. The vehicle's interior is exceptionally roomy and boasts a contemporary dashboard with room for up to 7 passengers. To give you an idea of the pricing, the newest models of this car may go upwards of $70,000. The actor has also driven a Cadillac Escalade, a large vehicle that can provide all of its passengers with a great deal of comfort and safety. And to give you an idea of the cost, it can cost as much as $95,000, depending on the model. He has also been spotted exiting a Mercedes-Benz S-Class, one of the most opulent and cutting-edge vehicles produced by the German company. The S-Class interior features a roomy, pleasant interior with ergonomic seats and cutting-edge safety technology. The most recent models of this car can cost over $110,000, just to give you an idea of the cost. The priciest vehicle Steven Segal was spotted driving was an opulent Rolls-Royce Phantom, a huge, incredibly stylish sedan from the renowned Rolls-Royce luxury car company. The car's interior boasts a flawless polish and a high-quality materials that add a lot of refinement to the space. And you might have to spend more than $400,000 to purchase such a vehicle. Steven Segal has also been spotted driving a Storm vehicle from the Strike Group, an all-electric, armored, multi-purpose vehicle with excellent security features. Furthermore, if Steve Segal indeed owns this piece of equipment, he has probably spent several $100,000 on other real estate. Steven Segal has resided in a number of fascinating homes when it comes to real estate. For instance, the actor formerly possessed an 8,000 square foot colonial mansion in the U.S. state of Tennessee, which was situated on a vast 12-acre estate. Steven Segal purchased the home in 2005 for $1.5 million, while sources claim that he sold it for $880,000. Lava Lakes Nature Preserve, a sizable 5,300-acre ranch in the town of Montague, a remote area of Siskiyou County in Northern California, were once owned by the star. There are 7 lovely lakes on the property, which are excellent for boating and fishing, and offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape and mountains. The main residence is a truly rustic refuge for tranquil and pleasant living away from the city. Measuring roughly 14,000 square feet and resembling a log cabin, high ceilings, stone floors, wood-paneled walls, and views of a lake and 2 taxidermy bears can all be found in the living area. Large counters can be found in the chef's kitchen, and a marquee connects the dining area to it. A second dining room and 9 lovely bedrooms, including 1 suite with an own porch, are also present. The unique feature of this property is that it also contains 2 other houses that can accommodate both staff and visitors in an equally cozy manner. Although he had earlier advertised it for as much as $12 million, Steven Segal sold the property in 2022 for $7 million. It's rumored that the actor still has other homes, including a ranch in Colorado, homes in Louisiana, and another property at Leisure World in Arizona. Exaggerated Luxuries is an Acura action film. As famous as Steven Segal has more than enough money to enjoy a lot of luxury when it comes to dressing nicely. For instance, he has been spotted wearing expensive watches like the $900 Luminox Men's Field, $1,000 for Luminox Recon Point Man, Lewis 1 at Jules Verne, $20,000. Even a Rolex GMT Master 2, one of the brand's most recognizable and famous watches, is highly treasured by watch collectors and brand devotees, so it's not surprising that its cost might exceed $80,000. When traveling, the actor typically takes a private jet like the Gulfstream G550, one of the world's safest and best-performing private aircraft that can fly at nearly the speed of sound. Depending on the configuration chosen, the jet's spacious and comfortable interior can accommodate up to 19 passengers. It is assumed that he is an entrepreneur who has made investments in a variety of companies, including an oil farm, a men's apparel line, and a cigarette company. Steven makes money from martial arts as well, because he is a well-known fighter. In addition to writing multiple books on the subject, he has provided other practitioners with a number of training courses and workshops. And because he is one of the most well-known action movie stars of his time, he has earned a nice livelihood by doing endorsement work for several businesses, like Lightning Bulk energy drinks, because he is a fan of Vladimir Putin and the Russian government. The United States and Russia now have a special envoy for humanitarian relations in Steven Segal. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.